Having a clean machine is extremely important. The following is meant to be a general guide only. We recommend checking your local and state health codes for any special requirements. Start by draining any remaining beverage mix that may be in the bowl. Make sure that you've turned off and unplugged the machine. Next, the machine needs to be disassembled. Please refer to the operator's manual or view the disassembly video. Add all of the parts to warm 90 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit mild detergent water. With a soft brush or towel, wash each of the parts individually. After all of the parts have been washed, rinse each component with 90 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit water. After the parts have been washed, they need to be sanitized. Be sure to read the instructions for mixing your sanitizing solution. We recommend using Sterasheen Green Label Sanitizer. Add 90 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit water and mix with the sanitizer to create a sanitizing solution. To check the strength of the solution, use a chlorine test strip. This will allow you to confirm that your solution is mixed at 100 ppm or parts per million. Add all of the parts to the solution and let them sit for at least 1 minute. After 1 minute or more, remove the parts and allow them to air dry. When the parts are dry, the machine is ready to be assembled, sanitized, and used. Now your Vollrath Refrigerated Beverage Dispenser is clean and sanitized. Learn more at vollrathfoodservice.com/coldbeverage.